gift you to present to Otumfuo on our behalf as a as expression of our appreciation for gracing this 25th anniversary.
Abusuya International Community School 25th anniversary grand deba na chense yewura Otumfuo na wose odine ni monyam ebeta echiri ewo honom ana enya agro school yi ekame akoyese eye esikaforma school esikaforma school because school fees ne ade eye international school inti school no de ne boarding pa na enra na mehu se ampa eye esikaforma school ohwe enkura yawofo be piem ewo honom a na ohwe enioma omode be piem ho abusua na esewani na ensese mekametre na Otumfuo eye yewura etu eye Nkoranza Manhene emane den munyam ebeta dwumadie no echi ewo honom na Otumfuo ba eye na natwitwi enso ebepiem ewo program na se eye Minister of Education Haruna Idrusu enso ebepiem ewo honom na enya agro Yaw Dabo, yes Yaw Dabo enso de nanimunyam ebeta program na echi Yaw Dabo se ne mamienu ene wo school mu honom nti ono enso de nanimunyam ebeta program no echi ewo hoyie pa na abusuya school no compound na efe papa na je omoti school we no 25 years mu na omo we chance omudi anniversary nti omo award teachers ni bi akira de wo 25 years omo award teachers ni bi enioma graduation na course so chance school year omo graduate ye bi ko abrochira kotoa so e bi toa so wo Ghana ha se ene kama nkura na busuafo be piem wo program na se na enye agrokra yenhwe se ne enioma esikoye ewo honom.
Aí, ó, baú. Inoles. Mini salaba, mini salaba.
Today's ceremony honors academic excellence across all levels of our secondary school, celebrates the achievements of our graduating class, and pays tribute to the pillars of our community, our founders, teachers, and alumni who have given back in impactful ways.
As we embark on this day, full of memorable moments, performances, awards, and speeches, let us remember, we are not just marking 25 years on the calendar. We are celebrating 25 years of dreams realized, challenges overcome, and a community united in purpose.
Great sight.
Of Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I stand before you today, humbled and honored to deliver this message on behalf of the class of 2025. Today marks not only our graduation, but also the grand celebration of 25 years of excellence, transformation, and unwavering commitment to holistic education at International Community School. To our royal guest of honor, His Majesty Otumfuo II, we are deeply honored by your presence, the leadership, wisdom, and dedication to the progress of Asante Mine and Ghana continue to inspire generation. Nana Wabodini Yeyahunya, your name is our pride. 25 years ago, ICS began a vision, a humble seed planted with faith, purpose, and perseverance. What started with just 7 students living in a living room has blossomed into a legacy of over 2,400 students across both Kumasi and Accra campuses, proudly accredited and internationally respected. Today, ICS stands as a beacon of academic distinction. We, the graduating class, are privileged to be fruits of this remarkable 25-year journey. As the head girl, we carry memories filled with moments that shape us, lessons in leadership, challenges that toughened us, and friendships that became family. Remember the busy mornings preparing for prefect duties, laughter in classrooms, and the guidance we received that kept us grounded. ICS has taught us that humble beginnings do not limit bold dreams. That perseverance births greatness. And for me, serving as the head girl has been one of my greatest honors, but also one of the greatest challenges.
in geography, best in chemistry, best in literature, best in English, best in French, best in history. As a special bouquet, all right. Thank you very much. Now for students standing out in year 8, we have a very wonderful gentleman who has been very outstanding in art. Li Wazhen, a powerful Chinese student, best in art. Congratulations, Li. Jesse Opoku Bediako, best in music. Best in history, Palak Jatani. My wonderful friend, very sportive, is taking best in PE. Wanyaki. Marielle Victoria Kabori. The name Marielle tells you best in French. She speaks it, she rattles it, she does everything in French. Best in geography, Connie Alexander. Mary Osu and
Look at you. Wow.
please let's put our hands together for all of them, year 7, year 8, for the outstanding performance that they put up. Thank you very much.
Continuing the tradition of academic distinction, please welcome Mr. Dennis Otre and Ms. Logina Krampa to present awards for years 9 through 11. Following right after, Mr. Kofi Asante and Mrs. Diana Entry Asante will present academic awards to our senior students in years 12 and 13.
Good afternoon. Berima Edusei Poku, Best in Business Studies. Stephen Kweku Gambra, Best in Accounting. Nathan Kwari Ofori, Best in Economics. Adwosewa Entry, Best in Literature. James Shantiwini Nahi, Best in Biology. James Shantiwini Nahi, Best in Physics. James Shantiwini Nahi, Best in Chemistry. James Shantiwini Nahi, Best in Adma. Please let's give it a hand. Thank you very much. And now to
well. Best in geography, we have Ernesto Osei. Best in economics, we have Jonathan Oblin. For history and business studies, we have Phoebe Jokoto. For accounting, mathematics, and AIT, we have Ryan. And then, in the world of the sciences, we have our amazing woman, taking best in physics, chemistry, and biology. We have Lanis Estamakin.
For year 7, the overall best award goes to Obapa Abna Dechi Okon. For year 8, it goes to Alexis Wine. For year 9, the overall best goes to Kwabena Jakite Ajay Sapo. For year 10, the overall best goes to Barnabas Kwejo Opon. And for year 11, it goes to James Shantwini Nachi. For year 12, the overall best goes to Keisha Kunedu Owusu Asante. And finally, to the graduating class, the overall bet goes to Lanis Esther Martin.
the successful Yabuas of ICS fame. We just listened to you. District Chief Executive, Regional Director for Education, proud parents and proud graduates of ICS class of 25. My honor and privilege to be associated with today's ceremony as we truly celebrate an extraordinary milestone of a journey. We began, by my understanding, some 25 years ago in a modest living room of 7 learners and a dream which today stands true. With a population of over 2,400 learners today, we have every reason to celebrate the vision of the Yabuas. So join me in doing so. If you don't mind, we stand for the clap of a second to celebrate for a second. And I'll tell you why. And it's first pre-tertiary school to move from one university Accra to Kumasi, and one of the best international accreditation institutions in Ghana. You may want to assume your seat. Thank you. And then to our proud graduating students. My joy was when I heard best student chemistry, best student mathematics, best student biology. It assured me of our country's future. And that future is about science, mathematics, and engineering. So at least our young lads are not left out in the opportunity in getting trained for the future of the world and the future of work. Today we celebrate you, the class of 25. And to paraphrase the words of your founding father, be humble. And he used the word humility. So I'll speak to the team. I'll speak to the team for today's ceremony, but I want to start with his humility. We are told is a ladder to success. And you can do it. Again, Dr. Yabua said, as you live here, your next love will be in the West. Mom and dad will not be immediately around you, but you have a duty to pursue your course of study with integrity. How proud to hear from the founding father of this university that we find many of you today working either with Goldman Sachs, Standard Chartered Bank. He mentioned a few. He even mentioned a clinic in the United States of America. So those of you who would go into medicine, be determined to make a contribution. And to our parents today, I share this joke and I end my speech whilst I celebrate 25 years. A young girl had gone on a study tour to America, and when she returned home, I'll pay royalties to the person I got this story from. And the president would put together a committee of an education review reform secretariat to cost the recommendations, and then action is implementation. But our commitment is that every Ghanaian child deserving of education must be given an opportunity to be educated. We still have some 5,000 schools under trees in Ghana. Unbelievable. After 30 years of democratic practice, 30 years when we promised in the 1992 Constitution of free compulsory universal basic education, we still have some people who are unable to access quality education. And the dichotomy between the provision of quality education in urban areas, poor in rural areas, quality in modern Ghana or parts of modern Ghana, and poor in rural Ghana is something government will necessarily and appropriately respond to. Here is the next 25 years of hope and growth as ICS. I thank you for being part of this extraordinary milestone of a celebration today, and I congratulate you all, our graduates. Work proudly to the institutions of higher learning. Let integrity guide you, and let compassion and teamwork be your guide. I thank you all for your listening.
Thank you very much. Please come. A round of applause for the Excellency. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. It's really an honor to have you here with us. Thank you for your continued dedication and for inspiring the young leaders and future of tomorrow. So on behalf of the board, the management, and the entire staff of ICS, I'm really pleased to present you with this gift. Thank you very much. Round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I believe that everybody remains seated whilst I excuse myself quietly so that the event will go on kindly. Bless you all. Bless you all.
Thank you.
Doctor, stay and do the program.
No, it's okay. I'll just walk with you.
Okay, thank you.
Hey.
So, as
Okay, sir. That's a message.
For you. Honorable.
Well done, Mr. Hooper. Well done. The next one is Miss Evelyn Jan. Miss Evelyn Jan has also served for 14 good years in the school. We celebrate you, Miss Evelyn Jan. Please come up for your award. So the next one goes to Mr. Kwabnaton, who has also served for 14 good years in the school. Mr. Kwabnaton, 14 good years in the school. The next one goes to Miss Ajua Sewa Danso, who has also served 14 good years in the school. Well done, madam. We celebrate all of you. Then we have Miss Nora Adams. Nora has also served for 14 good years in the school. Well done. We celebrate you. Miss Rebecca Mensah has also served in the school for 13 good years. Well done, madam. Thank you so much for your dedicated service. Mr. Kofi Poku has also served for 13 good years in the school. Miss Portia Menu has also served for 13 good years in the school. Well done, madam. Well done. Mr. Joseph Odrobriu has also served for 13 good years in the school. Well done.
When we finally moved, to Ghana, we decided to use some of the savings that we have from the little stipend that I was receiving at the university to purchase some computers and some free educational resources, for the school that we had talked about. In August 98, we came as planned. After about 6 months or so, we decided to set up, the other half for the school. We spoke to a few friends in church about what we wanted to do, and some parents volunteered their kids. We had 7 children to start with, including our own daughter, who was 2. Our older child, couldn't attend the school because she was too old. Few weeks, into the school was spread. That a couple from the US around the school, parents are seeing the difference in their kids' education, and not long after we started, the number grew from 7 to 25. And then thereafter, the following year, the number went to 60. And at that point, we decided it was time to move out of the house.
In the year 2001, the school bought a rather ambitious piece of property, a 20-acre land at Pechi number 1, which would become the permanent home of ICS Kumasi.
The Pechi campus, which today is the main campus of the school, developed in phases. As we expanded, we did it to meet the growth, that we experienced in terms of students' numbers.
The first phase construction of the permanent ICS campus began in June 2003, and the primary school, kindergarten to year 4, moved to the brand new campus the following year. The school kept on growing in student numbers and staff strength, and the growth was matched by corresponding expansion of facilities on the Pechi campus. I have always wondered challenges Dr. and Mrs. Yaw might have faced as they managed and grew ICS before it became what it is today.
Oh yes, we found our fair share of challenges, like any venture that anybody starts. One of the challenges that we had first with staff. Because the school was new, we had recruited few teachers from University of Cape Coast. But because they could not see the future of the school, they spent a year or so and left. The biggest challenge that we faced was really in 2004, when the US organization that we were partnered with decided to leave abruptly. And when they left, they withdrew all their teachers who were the lead teachers in the school. So all the American teachers, left. And on top of that, they also did quite some bad mouthing of the school and its leaders, to the point where about 150 students left the school out of 320 pupils that we had then. That was like losing 50% of your student population. So, all over town, rumors were circulating that people were withdrawing their kids from the school. You will hear, that this family says we are not returning, this family says we are not returning. And we say, well, wondering, would we even have, 10 kids, return to the school? We were however determined that even if nobody came back, that we were going to still stay put and continue running the school. What
school? Dr. and Mrs. Yawa, special guest speaker, Mr. Justice Amu, board of directors of the school, parents here, graduating class, all protocols observed. I'm here to present a speech on behalf of my father, the King of Ashanti, Otumfuo II, on the occasion of the 25th anniversary and graduation ceremony of International Community School. Sure. It gives me great pleasure on behalf of Otumfuo II, Asante, to give these brief remarks on the occasion of the celebration of 25 years of existence of the International Community School, sure, and the Silver Jubilee graduation ceremony. Sure. I bring you greetings and felicitations from His Majesty, the King of Ashanti, Otumfuo. Otumfuo had expressed the wish to personally come and celebrate this auspicious occasion with you. Sure. However, as we all know, he is currently hosting the King of Eswati, who is on a special state visit to Kumasi. Sure. Otumfuo remembers vividly his visit to this school some 15 years ago. Sure. And over the years, he noticed that this school has chalked some very enviable success that make this institution one of the best private educational institutions in the country. Sure. The International Community School has lived up to its name and produced students that have gained admission to some of the best known and renowned universities in the world, sure, including such top schools in America as Brown, MIT, Columbia, Johns Hopkins, Harvard, Cornell, Yale, UPenn, University of Toronto, Cambridge, University of Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Ashasi, among others. Sure. as wealthy ambassadors of the International Community School and help to bring further laurels to your school. I wish you successful 25 years anniversary. Thank you very much. Sure.
Representing His Royal Majesty Otumfuo. In appreciation to you, Representative Otumfuo, and to His Royal Majesty, the school community, led by a very gifted art teacher in this place, work on this beautiful art piece that we would like to gift you to present to Otumfuo on our behalf as a as expression of our appreciation for gracing this 25th anniversary for us through you. Mr. Matthew, I want you to be seen. I don't want to take the glory from you. This is the creator of the art piece, Mr. Matthew. And he really has been working very, very hard, knowing that Otumfuo was going to come. And we know we had been in touch with Otumfuo. We were very expectant that he'll be here, based on the assurance that we had. And we are equally grateful that he sent you to come and represent him. So please send this to him as an expression of our gratitude, towards His Majesty. Thank you very much, Nana. Now, yes. So let's take a picture.
Doctor. This is the one.
Okay, so this would be done soon. Please, let's continue.
Okay, we'll be doing neuroscience at Brown's University with a total of $171,331 worth of scholarship. Wendy Afari Mensah will be attending Academic City, even though she got admission to Huron University, Binghamton University, University of South Dakota, Academic City. John Na Momo Afote will be attending Ashesi University to pursue engineering. Total of 65,708 worth of scholarship. Abena Inshira Kwatima Inti, Deputy Head Girl, will pursue economics at Ashesi University. Ryan Nana Yaw Ofori Kori will be pursuing computer science at Ashesi with a total scholarship of 59,208. Benedict Kwesisa will be attending Academic City pursuing computer science. Jason Chenebua, aka, will be doing medicine at the University of Pets in Hungary. Orestus Nichawe Ado, aka Charles, will be attending University of Buffalo pursuing computer science. Emmanuel.
Gratitude from where we go. Congratulations to the class of 2025 and happy 25th anniversary to our beloved school. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the class of 2025. Can we have a resounding applause to all of them? By the count of 3.
Hey, Chelsea. Huh?
Now the photographers, I'm going to need you to move back.
Training heads and hearts and heads to lead everywhere. I see heads growing every day. I see heads training tomorrow's leaders today. Raising a new and productive generation, training heads and hearts and hands to lead everywhere. Training heads and hearts and hands to lead everywhere. I see it. Listen, I see it.
One more time. When you do it, hold it. Okay. All right, are you ready? You move it, you wait. When I say okay, then you drop your hand. Are you ready? All right, on 3. Let's go. That's fine. All right.